everybody, welcome back to Aaron Dash Official, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Chrome or Google Search in just less than 1 minute. Alright, so this is the search bar. You use it to search something. Google Search, I'm feeling lucky, blah blah blah. Gmail, it's just a little mailing thingy. Images, you can search like pictures and photos, really cool. This little waffle thingy, a bunch of Google apps, yeah, really cool. Your Google account, and just some stuff. Alright, so for example, let's type in Google. And yeah, as you can see, you get Google account, Google Ads, Amazon, blah 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 blah. Oh, Google, yeah, like 10 pages and stuff. YouTube, Google keyword advertisements. Oh yeah, it's really cool. You can choose books, news, videos, images, and more settings, tools. And yeah, that's how you use Google. Bye. See you later.